Well, my name is Davinci. I'm the owner of Atticus Estates, LLC, and I wanted to move from the passive side of real estate where you buy and hold properties to a more active side where you invest in properties and get a larger return. So I really am learning a lot here today, from yesterday on the bus tour of the apartments to today learning the in-depth safeguards and the requirements of how to do investing. And I think it's really cool to come here to this class and actually get certified to actually be a sophisticated investor, whereas not needing that $1 million of liquid assets. So I think that's a huge bonus to attending this event, is to be able to walk out on Monday and start investing in these hotels to apartment buildings. I think that's pretty powerful.